Hi, I'm Alexandra Grant of the AG Real Estate Group of RE/MAX Hallmark, and welcome to my new listing at 285 Mud Lake Road in Odessa. I'm going to tell you 5 favorite reasons why I love this house, and you should too. Having the lake view of Mud Lake and the access to it for canoeing and kayaking, as well as the surrounded perennial gardens and fruit trees. Only 15 minutes just outside of Kingston, you can enjoy a rural feel with close amenities. There are 2 wood stoves in this home, including this one, to cozy up to on cold winter days. Who doesn't love the character of an old farmhouse, including the original pine floors? I've saved the best for last. It's a complete chef's kitchen with a design of 2 ovens and 2 fridges in an Eden style. We're down by the water's edge right now. Can you imagine launching a canoe, kayak, or skating in the wintertime? Again, I'm Alexandra Grant of the AG Real Estate Group of RE/MAX Hallmark, and I thank you for watching.